Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to show equation of trend line in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Example, select your data, go to Insert tab, Chart, Setup, and see this chart type, scatter dot chart, and customize series. Drop down menu, see this trend line. Click here and level use equations and see this many options. Edit to this. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.